The OnePlus 15R runs on Android 16 with OxygenOS 16, and if you have ever used Realme ColorOS or older versions of OxygenOS, this software will feel very familiar. OnePlus has not changed much visually this year, but the improvements are still noticeable. The biggest change comes from the animations. They feel faster, smoother, and less distracting, which makes everyday use feel more fluid and polished. OnePlus is also doing well when it comes to long-term software support. The OnePlus 15R will receive 4 major Android updates and 6 years of security patches, just like the regular OnePlus 15. That is reassuring for users who plan to keep their phone for several years. OxygenOS 16 is very close to ColorOS 16, and that is not a surprise considering OnePlus and Oppo share a lot of software DNA. The differences are mostly cosmetic, such as icon styles and how the quick toggles and settings menu look. Functionally, the experience is almost identical. Like most phone makers in 2026, OnePlus is putting a strong focus on AI features. One of the main highlights is Mindspace. This feature acts as a smart hub for your notes, screenshots, photos, videos, and files. AI analyzes all this content so you can ask questions and get useful answers. Mindspace will soon get deep integration with Google's Gemini AI, which should allow it to give more personalized responses based on your own data. This feature has not fully rolled out yet, but it sounds promising. Another standout feature is the Plus key. This is a physical button on the phone that you can customize. By default, it adds content to Mindspace, but you can assign many other actions to it. You can use it to take screenshots, open the camera, turn on the flashlight, enable Do Not Disturb, or switch the phone to vibrate mode. It is a small detail, but it adds a lot of convenience. OxygenOS 16 also improves connectivity across devices. The OnePlus 50R can easily connect with Windows PCs, Macs, and even iPhones. You can bring your OnePlus phone close to an iPhone and instantly share files, similar to how Android phones share files with each other. This is surprisingly useful and works smoothly. There are also dynamic island-style animations inspired by Apple, adding a modern touch to notifications and background activities. Overall, the software experience feels clean, fast, and refined. OxygenOS continues to be one of the smoothest Android skins available. Moving on to performance, the OnePlus 15R is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip, built on a Thurn process. This is the first phone to use this processor, and it sits just below the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 found in the OnePlus 15. While it is not the absolute top chip from Qualcomm, it is still firmly in flagship territory. Compared to the Elite version, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 has slightly lower clock speeds. The CPU uses the same 2+6 core structure, but the prime cores are clocked over 17% lower, and the performance cores are about 8% lower. The GPU is the Adreno 829, which is an improved version of the Adreno 8025, but it does not match the power of the Adreno 8040 found in the Elite chip. The memory setup is also slightly toned down. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 uses slower memory speeds compared to the Elite. OnePlus pairs this chip with 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and there is no 16GB option this year. Storage options include 256GB or 512GB of fastUS 4.1 storage. In benchmarks, the OnePlus 15R performs very well. CPU scores are close to Elite-level performance, while GPU scores match phones like the OnePlus 3R and devices with the Dimensity 9400. These numbers may not top the charts, but they are more than enough for any app or game in 2026. Sustained performance is also impressive. The phone scored around 70% in CPU stress test and 66% in GPU stress test. It gets warm during long sessions but never uncomfortably hot. Overall, the OnePlus 15R delivers smooth everyday performance and strong gaming capabilities, making it a powerful and reliable flagship option.